Are you tired of the rat race, feeling like you're working tirelessly but barely getting ahead? Picture this. You're lounging at home in your jammies, sipping on a pumpkin spice latte, and you check your phone to find another $100 or more hit your account, all thanks to a side hustle you started in your spare time. Now, you might be thinking, wait, what's a virtual assistant? Well, let me break it down for you. According to a recent study by the International Virtual Assistants Association, the global virtual assistants industry is projected to reach a staggering $304 billion by 2027. That is a whopping growth of 16.3% from 2022 to 2027 on average. Virtual assistants can rake in anywhere from $18 to $50 per hour. Now that's a pretty wide range, but let me break it down for you. According to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly pay for a virtual assistant in the United States is around $25. But the salary can vary widely depending on your experience, skills, and expertise. With just 20 hours of work each week at an average pay of $25 an hour, that's $104,000 annually. And if you can manage 40 hours a week at the same rate, if you're a complete newbie, don't worry. There are plenty of online courses that can teach you the ins and outs of music production. Websites like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer comprehensive courses that can equip you with the necessary skills to get started. You're looking at a cool $208,000 a year, not too shabby, right? And guess what? Some affiliates earn a few $100 on the side, while others turn it into a full-time income stream. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience and sprinkle in those affiliate links. On average, affiliates earn a commission of around 5 to 40% per sale. That means if you promote a product selling for $100, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to start your side hustle journey? Let us know 3 side hustles that can potentially make you an extra $100 a day or more. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and a dash of creativity, you can achieve your financial dreams. Don't let another day go by without taking steps towards your goals. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $40 in commission for every sale you drive. Imagine promoting multiple products across different niches and multiplying your income streams. One of the hottest side hustles that lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. The global affiliate marketing market size was valued at $12.48 billion in 2022, and it is projected to grow to a staggering $15.82 billion by 2028, with a compound annual growth rate of 4.3% from 2023 to 2028. Think of yourself as a digital matchmaker connecting awesome products with people who need them. This trend shows no signs of slowing down. It's the music producers who craft the beats and melodies that make chart-topping hits. Affiliate marketing is the most effective digital marketing strategy with a 20% conversion rate compared to email marketing as measly 5.7%. So how exactly does affiliate marketing work? Say you stumble upon an amazing fitness program that's helping people transform their bodies. You share this game-changing program with your audience, whether it's through a blog, social media, or email marketing. And when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and signs up, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The creator of the program earns money, and you get a slice of the pie for being a digital matchmaker. If you've been yearning for a creative outlet or want to tap into a lucrative side hustle, becoming a music producer could be your golden ticket. The global music production market size was valued at $4.8 billion in 2022, and it is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 8.3% from 2023 to 2030, reaching an estimated $8 billion by then. As streaming continues to dominate the music industry, the demand for high-quality music production is on the rise. Platforms like Spotify, Apple, and Tidal are fueling the need for talented music producers. Basically, AVA is like a right-hand person for busy entrepreneurs or businesses. Thanks to technological advancements, anyone with a passion for music and a computer can dive into the world of music production. They're the helping hands that make the business world go round, except you do it all remotely from your home base. So how much can you earn as a music producer? On average, music producers in the United States earn around $62,000 annually. However, the salary range typically falls between $52,000 and $74,000. Some music producers even hit the six-figure mark. No more late nights at the office, no more soul-sucking commutes. This isn't a fantasy, it's your ticket to freedom. In today's fast-paced digital world, there's a plethora of opportunities to boost your income right from your couch. Today, we are diving into 3 awesome side hustles that lines have you raking in the dough in no time. These aren't some get-rich-quick schemes or those shady crypto investments. We're talking tried and tested strategies that are turning side hustles into full-blown businesses. So grab a pen and paper because these money-making ideas are pure gold. Side Hustle 1. Mastering the art of being a virtual assistant. You're about to uncover a secret weapon for your financial freedom, virtual assistants. But here's where things get really interesting. Why is that, you ask? Well, as more and more businesses go global and entrepreneurship becomes more accessible, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. People are realizing that hiring a VA is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. And the best part, you don't need to be a superhero with a cape to pull this off. Let's face it, we're all capable of handling basic administrative tasks, scheduling appointments, answering emails, and managing social media. So how much cash can you expect to earn as a virtual assistant? Side Hustle 2. Unleashing your inner rock star with music production. Did you know that music producers are the unsung heroes of the music industry, while artists take center stage? The best part, you don't need to be a musical genius or have a six-figure budget to get started, but here's where it gets exciting. Imagine crafting the soundtrack for the next big artist or creating beats that resonate with millions. The possibilities are endless. Now here's a game-changing tip. Side Hustle 3. Riding the wave with affiliate marketing. Last but certainly not least, we have affiliate marketing. And guess what? According to Influencer Marketing Hub. So how much cash can you expect to earn with affiliate marketing? Well, the sky's the limit. To get started, join affiliate programs. Well, there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.